Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds ah and o. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ah sound in the word not, not, not. Now the o sound in the word note, note, note. Now I will use them both in a sentence. It is not in the note. It is not in the note. It is not in the note. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!